Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how to develop the Android app, online Android application for ordinary water and delivery management system. In this video I will tell you what features and what facilities you can develop by using Android app for water delivery system. Basically, online shopping advancements have been so drastic that it has evolved to be a part of our life. Today, customer doesn't drive down to some shop for buying a product, but preferably check over the internet for price, offers, reviews, and order online. In most of the metropolitan cities, water containers are purchased from shops for their basic needs of day-to-day life. The current system working procedures in those is very customer call drivers down to shop to order the water container by providing the shopkeeper a deliverable address, and then a delivery person delivers the order to customers door to door step. As the system work totally offline and has lot of drawbacks. The major drawbacks in current offline systems are repeated calls from and to customer. If multiple orders are placed from some locally, the delivery person travel multiple times. There is no track of order etc. This paper propose, and in this video I will propose an Android application for water containing container ordering and deliveries management system, where customers can order over an application by searching the nearby shops which provide the service and make payment online. This proposed system helps in overcoming the major drawbacks of current system. This application provides assistance modules for shopkeepers. It provides a delivery module which helps delivery person to deliver the containers to number of places by efficient path strategies and as application use internet, e-payment, maps, etc. It moderately help in developing digitally empowering societies. So anybody, any customer, any shopkeeper, or anyone who want to get your product online, or receive your payment online, or send your payment online, or you want to do your business online, as we can say that e-commerce solutions, me and my team will always help you to give you this system to solution in your doorstep. You can directly contact me by my email address and both my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is 0092 which is my country code 31056888263. Once again, 0092 31056888263 is my WhatsApp number. You can call me anytime, anywhere in the world. I will help you, I will deliver you, I will develop your system as per your requirement, digitally, online, and through e-commerce. So thank you so much to listen me, and waiting your services on next time. Thank you and goodbye. Wish you best luck.